Do you work with Excel and need to remove duplicate data from your spreadsheet? If yes, this video is for you. Many times we receive spreadsheets with repeated values. Removing duplicates one by one can take a lot of time, especially when you have many rows. The good news is that Excel has easy tools to do this quickly. In this video, I will show you 2 simple ways to remove duplicates in Excel, using Remove Duplicates and using Advanced Filter. So let's start. Option 1. Using Remove Duplicates. This is the most common and the easiest way. First, select your entire table, then go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear. If your table has headers, check the option My Data has Headers. This tells Excel not to remove your header row. Now choose the columns you want Excel to check for duplicates. In this example, I will select all columns. Click OK, and Excel will show you a message telling you how many duplicate values were removed and how many unique values remain. Click OK, and your duplicate rows are gone. Now, only the unique data remains. Option 2. Using Advanced Filter. Now, let's see another option. This method does not delete duplicates directly. Instead, it shows only unique values so you can copy them. First, select your data and make a copy in another sheet. This keeps your original data safe. In the Copy table, select Data, go to the Data tab, then Sort and Filter and click Advanced. In the Advanced Filter window, check the Unique Records Only. Click OK. Excel will show only unique records. To finish, copy the filtered data and replace the data in your original sheet. And that's it. 2 easy ways to remove duplicates in Excel. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips. See you next time.